Hello, this is Blake Knierim, the woodworker, and today we're going to be making a little marking gauge, which is by Steve Ramsey made the same one. I don't know, Ramsey, I don't know exactly. He has a YouTube channel. He made a bigger one for big circles. I'm just going to be making a small version. Okay, so I started cutting them down by tilting my table saw to about 15 degrees. Doesn't actually have to be exact as long as you leave it there. And this piece is V'd like a dovetail through here. Actually, this has moved a little bit, but it went through there both ways and cut grooves. Then it was the same thickness as this, and you don't want it to be exactly the same thickness, so I put it through the thickness planer. Whenever you do this, put the wider part on the bottom and thickness plane the skinnier part. So I got this plane down to about an 1/8 inch will be left here. So I'll go ahead and line up the table saw for cutting. These I already have it marked over here. I'll mark the height and then I will cut it through. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this V area out of it. And make sure you wear safety glasses. And luckily, I just remembered I forgot to set the height. So I'm glad I remembered that. I don't know exactly how I'm going to find the height. Just move that. I'm going to go there. Okay, here we go. And I just made this out of thin 1/8 inch plywood. Just drilled holes with the Forstner bit here and cut this out. The table saw and the miter saw and chisel to clean it up. I don't usually put my hand through here in case it was sucked down in here, which my other push stick, which is right here, that happened to, and it is all shredded here. So that's why I don't necessarily, maybe I'll put like one finger in here or something, but I'm not going to go like this, because then if it sucks it in, my hand's going to go with it. Okay, so here we go. So, this one is a little too high, that's why I lowered it some more. It should still be okay because it's still more beefy in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut out all this inside of here, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'll just move the fence over a little bit and cut it. pretty cool, paper thin strips of wood. So now I have it cut out. It's not the best cut out. This is where it was a little too high when I lowered it. Let's see. It's a little too tight. I'm gonna try to go ahead and remove it. Well, I need to raise the blade just a fuzz to smooth that out a little bit. So now I'll go ahead and go over that again, and I'll line up it from here about right there. That should do good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I have that cut out more. It's going to be quite weak, but otherwise you should probably cut a bigger strip. But now this fits in here. Still a little bit snug. Yeah, that's still quite snug. And the dogs are barking. Don't really want to remove any more, but kind of need to. I'm gonna take the hand plane, and I'm gonna go ahead and plane down these two edges of or at least one of them, just a little bit, and that will make a difference. Okay, so I'll go ahead and plane this down a little bit. That's what I should have done in the first place. I just thought about it. Because that way I wouldn't have had to cut it as much. Now let's see if it fits better. It should. It didn't take very much. See, that's already way too loose. But it will work. And see, now this won't come out of here because it's locked in. So now I'm going to go ahead and plane down this, because when this goes in, this is a little bit too tall. You want it to be a little bit taller, but this is a little too much. So I went ahead and put a pencil mark across, and I'll plane that down on my thickness planer over here.